Assalamualaikum children. How are you today? I hope you are doing fine and happy with your family. Okay. Even though we can go out from our house, but you need to remember, okay, we still need to take care of ourselves. Okay, we cannot simply go out from our house if we don't have anything important to do outside. If we don't have something important, we just stay at home, okay? Actually, today teacher want to teach you how to make a Mother's Day card, you know, because Mother's Day is just around the corner. It will be on this coming Sunday. Today teacher want to teach you how to make a Mother's Day card. You want to know how to make the card? You want to know how to make the card? Okay, come follow me. Let's go. Jump. As I promised you just now, I'm going to teach you how to make the Mother's Day card, right? So now I'm going to teach you to make that card, alright? Okay, to make the card, we need the coloured paper, a pair of scissors, glue, marker pen, alright? Let's get started. Okay children, you need the coloured paper in a few colours, okay? For example, I take these colours, alright? And I already prepared the flower, the shape of a flower. So we are going to trace the shape here, okay? Okay, after you trace the shape, you need to trace for all the coloured paper, okay? Trace all. Okay, after you already trace the shape, you need to cut. Okay, follow the shape. Okay, like this. Alright? Cut. Okay. Now the flowers are ready. Okay. Next. Now you need to draw a circle shape like this. And cut. Okay? Cut the circle shape like this. Okay? And then this circle shape you need to paste on the flower. Okay, take this one. You need to paste on the flowers. Like that. Like this. This like this. Paste here. Alright. This one. Paste here. This one. Paste here. Like this. Okay, can you see? Okay. Okay, then you take one paper here. I use the A4 paper. So you put the glue at the flowers just now. Then you can paste one here. Another one here. One here. One here. And another one here. Okay, so now kita potong paper nak buat dia punya tangkai dekat bunga, okay? So we just paste like this. One here. Put the glue. Okay. Okay, like this. One. Okay, lepas tu cut Azie. Next. Okay, now I want to show you how to make the pot. Okay. Okay, so let's put this aside. Take the color paper like this. Okay, just small, just nice. Okay, so we fold it into two like this. Okay, this paper again, fold here. Okay, put like this. Then you fold the paper like this. Take the marker pen and you draw something like this. Alright. Okay. This one also you need to cut, right? Like that. So the letter you can put here. Okay, like this. Okay, after you already cut like this, you can paste here. Okay, like this. Take the glue. Okay, paste here. See, like the flower here. Right. So now we can deco this one. Okay, with the word. It's up to your creativity, but for me, I want to make a heart shape. So I will paste here the heart shape. Okay, so when we open, we can write something here. Let's write Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, like that. Okay. We need to add a little bit more. Stay tuned. Okay, now I am done with my Mother's Day cards. You can open. Let your mother open and say, "Oh, I'm so touched." Okay. Give to your mother and say, "I love you, mother. I love you, Umi. I love you, Ibu. I love you, Mama. I love you, Ma." So give to your mother. Okay. Okay. So here inside the flower, you can write something you like about your mother. Something like loving, kind, caring, smart, funny, sweet. What else? So you think and then you write. Okay. Ask your father to help. Alright. So I hope you will enjoy doing this and don't forget to give to your mother. Okay. On this coming Mother's Day. Okay. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Okay. Bye bye. Don't forget to sing a beautiful song to your mother. Like this. Ibu, ibu, engkaulah ratu hatiku. Bila ku berduka, engkau hiburkan selalu. Ibu, ibu, engkaulah ratu hatiku. Teng, teng, teng. Okay. Bye-bye.